Wifey's up there.
I was just telling everybody that last month we were freezing in New York.
Yeah.
Oh look, we are ready to go to the beach now. Look at that. We have our chairs over here. Let's see. And we have like a backpack. Look at that. Show it how it is. And the hotel provides us with the chairs and the towels and all the crap. So we're gonna do some farofa at Waikiki Beach right now. I will film from there.
Oh yeah. Wifey's up there. Beautiful. Woo-hoo. Cold water though. Look at this.
Well, last month we were freezing in New York, and today we are sun tanning in Honolulu. So life is good, man. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty good. Yeah. It's like Hyatt Corp. Good job. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Look at that. How beautiful that is. It's pretty windy today, but it's beautiful. I was just telling everybody that last month we were freezing in New York.
Yeah.
And now we're just here at the beach. Thanks to the Hyatt.
Yeah. Woohoo! Go Hyatt.
Go Hyatt. And I work for the Hyatt, by the way. So, and I'm able to actually get those colleague rates and discounts in here so I can travel. So, and this time I got Hawaii, so it's pretty cool. I mean, now
and coming soon to a time near you, San Francisco.
Yeah, I got it too.
Oh man, even the videos we show you, because we don't take the GoPro too far out in the water. Oh, it doesn't do it justice. I mean, I went pretty darn far out there just now, where I couldn't walk no more just because the rocks were so huge and there was no sand. It was just like one cut into your feet. But you could see all the way down. It was like 5-6 foot down, and it was clear, beautiful. Oh,
amazing.
Amazing.
I'm gonna go back to the water.
So what do you think now?
About what?
The island.
I love it. There's like 50 shades of blue. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous.
The water is clear and gorgeous.
We just got here last night, and so far it's great. It looks a lot like Rio, I'm not gonna lie. So, well, at least this part of the island. So, I mean, I am enjoying it.
So we are just out here walking around, and I gotta tell you, it's beautiful.
You can move around so people can.
And oh my God, the wind, and it kind of not rains, but sprinkles on you a little bit. And this park, gorgeous. It's 80 degrees, but I wouldn't even say it feels. I don't know how to describe it. It's not hot, it's not cool, it's just perfect. I'm telling you what, Hawaii is amazing. And there's everything to do within walking distance. I'm sold. I want to move here. She's not sold.
No.
So, you know, I do. I want to move everywhere we go. I'm the type who loves moving every couple of years. And I gotta tell you, I just love it. This is an amazing place. The weather is perfect.
I don't want to move here, but I do want to be able to come visit
often.
You know, I don't want to leave here.
When you walk the beach,
yeah,
man, it feels good on your feet. It's not really warm, but it's not cold. It's like a coldish lukewarm, but it just feels good on your feet. Ah, man, I'm looking forward to this trip. We're loving it already.
Mind you, it's still pretty early, so that's why the streets are empty.
It's only
8 a.m. something like that.
I don't even think it's 8 a.m. yet.
I'm coming over here later to this side of the beach. It sounds less crowded, you know?
great.
Good, look good. Do I look good? Good. It's gonna take 3 days to call.